So compound interest. So we're going to look at a few questions. But first of all, we need to understand the few terms, the number of payments. So annually. So if you're paying something annually, you're going to pay in one payment. Semi-annually, you're going to make two payments every 6 months. So you may also pay something monthly. So this would be 12 payments. So you also have weekly. Now there's 52 weeks in a year, so that would be 52 payments. Now also, you may have to pay daily. Very rare, but it may happen. 365 payments. So annually, semi-annually, we have monthly, we have weekly, daily, and another one you may see is quarterly. So this means the year is divided into quarters. So it's going to be every 3 months, but there's 4 payments in a year. So if we look at a question, and then we'll come back to the number of payments. So we have a financial literacy question. So it says, Khadija. So Khadija invests 300 dirhams in an account which pays a 6% interest rate, which is compounded. Now, this could be monthly, weekly, quarterly. So we're going to have a look at what happens if it's compounded quarterly. Now, we're assuming that no other deposits or withdrawals are made. So we're assuming we just put money in at the beginning and we'd let the money gain interest for the fixed term. So we're interested to find how much money will Khadija have in her account. So how much money will Khadija have in her account? Let's say after 10 years. So what is she going to have in her account after 10 years? So when we're working out, we need to use this formula. So our amount is going to be our principal amount. And the principal amount is going to be the amount we started with. So this is going to be 300 dirhams. So then we need to multiply this by 1 plus r divided by n. And this is to the power of n multiplied by t. So what does that mean? Well, r is going to be the rate, and we need to write it as a decimal. N is our number of payments. So we need to know that quarterly is going to be 4 payments. And the time. So time, if we look at our question, this is going to be 10 years. So let's just write this down. So our principal amount is 300. Our rate, if we divide by 100, is going to be 0.06. Our number of payments for quarterly is 4. And our time is going to be for 10 years. So this is the information we need. And we're going to put it into our equation here. So to work out the amount, we have 300. 1 plus, and this is going to be 0.06. Now this is divided by 4, because it's 4 payments in a year. And this is going to be 4 multiplied by 10. Now, don't make the mistake of putting 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4, because that will give you a different answer. So make sure you do this correct. Now, if we put this into the calculator, so we have 300, and we want to bracket, fraction button. So this is 1 plus the fraction button, and we want 0.06 divided by the number of payments, which is 4. Close our bracket, and then we're going to raise this. So we're going to raise this to the power, and this is going to be 4 multiplied by 10. Or we could put brackets. So this is going to give us 544 point. Now we need to round it because this is going to be in fils. So this is dirhams and fils. So we have 21. So our amount is going to be 544 dirhams and 21 fils. So there's our answer.